Hey guys, and thanks for joining me for this reformer arm workout. Very often in this studio, when I want to focus on like just one area of my body, say like I just want extra time for my arms, or maybe my legs are feeling really sore and I just want to take the pressure off of them and come just to the upper body, I will go to those exercises that we're currently doing that week in class for that part of the body and just turn it into a circuit. So we're seated, facing back, doing this arm work, and we're on one heavy spring. Grabbing those loops, we're going to go first with the rotator cuff. So tucking those elbows in close to the body, palms facing up, wrists in line with the elbows. We're going to open out to the side and then return. One more. We're taking 8 to 10 repetitions of each. Now moving into the chest expansion, turning the palms so they're facing back and the arms coming a little bit wider here. We're going to press straight back and then release. One more. Good. Next, moving into the rhomboids. So we're going to take our long loop and it's going to come on over our arms, just right above that crease in the elbow. Elbows straight out from the shoulders, palms are facing towards your face. We're going to rotate open so the palms are now facing the ear, and then we're going to come back to the front. Good. Those loops are coming back to the hands. We're going to lean back, flat back here, palms turned up to the sky, and go into bicep curls. Good. We're going to throw in an extra exercise, and we're going to open our arms, angling one up, one down, and then switch sides. Good. And now we're going to give ourselves a little bit of time here for rest and recovery before we do it all again. All right, starting back with that rotator cuff. Pull those elbows close in. They're going to stay right there by the rib cage throughout. Good. Chest expansion. And setting up for rhomboids. Remember to keep those elbows high in line with the shoulders. Rotate out and back in. All right, going into bicep curl, lengthen those arms out straight, lean the back away, and curl. Two more. Ooh, sitting up, last exercise here, diagonal arms, one up, one down, switching sides, alternating each time. Last one. Whew. Time for another recovery before we go back through all of them one more time for 3 rounds total. All right, last time through, we have got this. Starting with rotator cuffs. Good. Turning those palms facing back, chest expansion. Last one. Set up for rhomboids. Good. And now bicep curls, lean straight back and away, straight arms curling. Woo. Last exercise, those diagonal arms right here. Last one. Whew, well done. Thanks for joining me for this circuit. If you've got some specific goals for your arms, shoulders, and back, this is a great one to turn to when you've got a short amount of time, but you're still getting that work in on the reformer. See you guys next time in the studio. If you want to join me for full body, full length reformer Pilates workouts, you can find them on Patreon. And of course, you can find more Reformer Pilates workouts right here on YouTube and much more on my channel. Make sure to hit that like button if you want to see more workouts on here just like this on the Reformer, and consider subscribing if you haven't already.